What if I told you that almost everything you're worried about right now is stealing your peace for absolutely no reason, and that the moment you stop believing those worries, your life starts falling into place? Think about it. At 2 a.m., when your mind races with fear about tomorrow, next week, or next year, nothing bad is actually happening in that moment. Yet your body reacts as if disaster is guaranteed. Stoicism teaches a powerful truth. Your mind is not a fortune teller, your thoughts are not facts, and worry is just a habit you've unknowingly trained yourself to repeat. Most of what you fear never happens, and even when life does get hard, you've already proven something incredible. You've survived 100% of your toughest days. Worry doesn't prepare you for the future. It only drains you in the present. The Stoics understood that peace begins when you focus only on what you can control, your actions, your mindset in this very moment, and let go of everything else. The more you try to control outcomes, people, and circumstances, the more frustrated and exhausted you become. But the moment you loosen your grip, life starts flowing instead of fighting back. Problems often grow because you feed them with constant attention. Step back, stop obsessing, and clarity appears. Life is not working against you, it's shaping you. Every setback, delay, or rejection isn't a punishment, but a lesson guiding you toward growth, resilience, and strength you didn't know you had. You are far stronger than the voice of doubt in your head, and strength doesn't mean never feeling afraid. It means moving forward despite fear. The present moment is always enough. Right now you are breathing, you are here, and you are okay. Peace doesn't live in the future or the past, it exists only now. And remember this final Stoic truth: what you focus on expands. Focus on fear and it multiplies. Focus on growth and opportunity, and your life begins to change. If this message helped you see worry differently, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video to reinforce the mindset, comment below what you're choosing to let go of today, and subscribe for more powerful Stoic wisdom that trains your mind to stay calm, focused, and unshakable.